Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's literally breaking the internet right now. SORA 2, OpenAI's revolutionary AI video generator that dropped on September 30th, 2025. If you've been scrolling through TikTok or Instagram lately, you've probably seen insane viral AI videos flooding your feed, and guess what? Most of them are created with SORA 2. OpenAI is calling this the GPT 3.5 moment for video, basically saying this is as revolutionary for video creation as ChatGPT was for text. And after testing it myself, I completely understand why. This model creates photorealistic videos with synchronized sound from nothing but text prompts. But here's what really sets it apart. It actually understands real-world physics. Remember those janky AI videos where objects would morph unrealistically? Where a basketball would magically warp into the hoop even when the player missed? Those days are over. SORA 2 has been trained to obey actual laws of physics. If you tell it to show a basketball player missing a shot, the ball bounces off the backboard realistically instead of defying reality. It can generate Olympic gymnastics routines with accurate body mechanics, backflips on paddleboards with realistic water dynamics, even a cat doing a triple axel while holding on for dear life. The level of physical accuracy is unprecedented. The real game changer driving the viral explosion is the Cameos feature. You record yourself once in the app, capturing both your appearance and voice, and boom, you can instantly insert yourself into any AI-generated environment. Want to see yourself walking through ancient Rome? Done. Want to teleport to the Galapagos Islands? Easy. This is why it's gone absolutely viral on social media. And the numbers prove it. Within the first week of launch, 164,000 people downloaded the app in just the US and Canada alone, where it's currently available as invite-only for ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscribers. One creator posted a SORA video of squirrels jumping on a trampoline and got 7 million views with 377,000 likes. Just from squirrels. On a trampoline. That's the power we're dealing with here. Now, there is some controversy. Every video features a visible watermark to prevent misuse, and there are legitimate concerns about AI-generated content, flooding platforms, and potential misinformation. OpenAI has implemented safety measures, but the ethical debates are far from settled. But enough talking about it. Let me show you what this thing can actually do. I'm going to test SORA 2 hands-on with multiple prompts to show you exactly how good this model really is. Test 1. Advertisement creation. First, let's test how it creates advertisements. I'm going to create an ad for an automation company, so my prompt is, create hyper-realistic, viral, trendy ad on TikTok about automation, high-tech, high-quality. And guys, look at this output.
Tired of endless manual tasks? Flip the switch. Let automation handle the busy work while you focus on what matters. From logistics and production to emails and finances, everything runs itself. Work smarter, move faster, and see results in real time. Flowmate.
This is absolutely incredible, no joke. The text rendering has improved massively. If you remember VEO 3, it sometimes completely missed text or created artifacts, but SORA 2 handles text rendering so much better. The clarity, the physics, the synchronized audio with background tech sounds, everything feels professional and ready to upload. Test 2. Now let's move to the second test. In this prompt, I want to test SORA 2's ability to create a teaser or trailer-style video. So I gave it this prompt. Create hyper-realistic Hollywood-style movie trailer based on a real event on ruins of Nalanda. And look at this. This is genuinely mind-blowing.
For centuries, Nalanda was a beacon of knowledge. Until the day the horizon burned. Empires clashed. Wisdom became a battlefield.
But some flames cannot.
The cinematic shots, the camera movements, the atmospheric audio with ancient ruins ambiance, it's creating something that honestly competes with real movie trailers. If this quality was in 4K with zero artifacts, I genuinely believe this could compete with Hollywood productions. And honestly, I think in the next 5 to maybe 10 years maximum, common people will be able to use these advanced tools to create their own short movies. Just write a prompt, and boom, your movie is created. We're already seeing Hollywood start implementing AI in their production process. Not on a huge scale yet, but we're definitely seeing the sparks. Who knows what the future holds? Test 3. Movie trailer. Anyway, let's move to the next test. I want to test SORA 2 with a different genre of trailer, so I'm asking it to generate hyper-realistic Hollywood-style movie trailer based on AI. And look at this result. Wow, just wow.
We built it to protect us.
It's rewriting its own code faster than we can read it.
If we lose control, it's not just data, it's lives.
I won't let a machine decide who survives.
Then we fight it on its own ground.
The details, the cuts, the dramatic pacing, the synchronized music building tension, everything is giving major Hollywood movie trailer vibes. If this could generate in higher resolution like 4K, I'm absolutely sure this would look even more awesome. The physics simulation is spot on, and the audio-video sync is next level. Test 4. News reporter scene. Now let's create something more realistic, a news live reporter video. In this prompt, I'm asking SORA 2 to generate a video where a city flood occurs and the news reporter is reporting live from the scene. Look at this output. It's incredibly realistic.
Good evening. We're live in the heart of downtown Riverside, where floodwaters have turned these streets into rivers. I'm standing in nearly 2 feet of water. Behind me, you can see cars that were left when the water rose.
And listen to the audio carefully. You can hear the water sounds, the flood rushing.
Good evening. We're live in the heart of downtown Riverside, where floodwaters have turned these streets into rivers. I'm standing in nearly 2 feet of water. Behind me, you can see cars that were left when the water rose.
The environmental chaos. And it all sounds genuinely real. The reporter's dialogue is synced perfectly with lip movements, and the background soundscape creates that urgent breaking news atmosphere. This is what sets SORA 2 apart. The synchronized audio generation that creates sophisticated background sounds, speech, and sound effects automatically. Test 5. Alright, let's test another video. Here I'm giving a romantic scene prompt. Create a realistic scene of a guy singing for his girl on a romantic date. And look at this output.
Every sunset leans a little closer when you're near, and the night learns how to glitter in your eyes. If the world fades to quiet, I'll still hear your heartbeat, keeping perfect time with mine.
It's beautiful.
SORA 2 doesn't just generate dialogue, it can actually mimic singing. From its previous model, it's improved so dramatically. The guy's voice hits the notes, the romantic ambient music plays in the background, you can hear the clinking of glasses, and the whole atmosphere feels like a real date scene. The physics are accurate too. Watch how the candlelight flickers realistically and casts natural shadows. So there you have it, my complete breakdown and hands-on testing of SORA 2. What makes this truly revolutionary is that combination of realistic physics, synchronized audio generation, improved text rendering, and the Cameos feature that's driving all the social media virality. Previous AI video models would morph objects unrealistically, but SORA 2 actually obeys the laws of physics instead of just trying to satisfy the prompt at any cost. This isn't just another AI tool, this is a fundamental shift in video creation. We're witnessing the democratization of professional quality video production. What used to require expensive equipment, editing software, and hours of work can now be done with a text prompt in seconds. In the next 5 to 10 years, everyday people will be creating their own short films, advertisements, and cinematic content with nothing but creativity and prompts. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI deep dives, and let me know in the comments which test impressed you the most. Are you excited about SORA 2, or do the concerns outweigh the potential? Catch you in the next one.